Yes, teacher.
Record
The
name.
Yeah.
We're gonna start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله. All of you keep yourself mute, please. Keep yourself mute. Okay. Hello, my little scientist. Welcome back to our online science class. I'm teacher Riham, your science teacher. You can tell me what day is today? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, huh? Who can tell me? Today is?
Tuesday.
Yeah, today.
Tuesday.
Great.
Tuesday.
Yeah, you can say.
Tuesday.
Yeah, you can say Tuesday, not Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay, what the date? 20?
20. 22.
22?
28. 21.
Welcome to our online.
28. 28. 28, 9, 20, 21. 28 September.
Okay, great job. Now focus with me, please. May Allah protect you and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Please, grade 2, follow our online class. Be on time, be prepared, turn off your camera, don't eat, raise your hand if you want to talk or to ask any question, and mute your mic, enjoy learning, okay? So let's start this. If you see this picture, so what I wanted to ask you?
It's land. It's land.
Yeah.
Farm.
Who can ask me this picture?
It's land.
Abdul Malik.
Yes.
Okay, wait, one by one. Yes, Abdul Malik?
Yes, land.
Yeah, what about the land? Ask me a question about this picture.
The land, it's land, it's that.
What? Land what? All of this is a land or earth. It's land and water. So can you see the earth?
Yeah.
Earth has
More mountain.
Yeah, so more or different forms of
Mountain.
land and mountain is
Water.
Yeah, great job, Abdul Malik. So if you see this picture, please remember that the earth has different forms of land, like the mountains, and water, like the oceans, okay? Who can tell me what the title of the last lesson? It's about the mountain.
Land on earth. Me, I am earth.
Okay, Aris. Okay.
Land on earth.
Yes.
Land for. Land for.
Land on?
No, on earth. Land on earth.
Land on earth. Thank you so much, Aris. So we study the land on the earth, different land forms like mountains, like what else? Like here,
Like the lands.
like the island, like the valley. Okay, different land forms. Okay, we know. What about these different land forms? So we study the land on earth. Who can guess? Today we will study, or the title of our lesson today is what? We know what about the land on earth. So
yes, land on earth. No, on water on earth.
Great
Water
job.
on
Thank you so much. Yeah. Also,
on earth.
Omar, Maher, and Aris. Great job. So we will study the water on the earth. So we know what about...
Yes.
Great job, honey. Thank you so much. So we know what about the land on earth, the different forms of land on the earth. Now let's study, or in this lesson, let's study the different forms of water on the earth, the different forms of water on the earth. So our lesson title, lesson 3, what the title of our lesson? Water on earth. So water on earth. Yeah, water on earth. Please, all of you, bring your notebook and write the title of our lesson. Quickly, please. Okay? Quickly write the title. Water on Earth.
Teacher, I write it.
Show me. So lesson 1, local landscapes. Lesson 2, land on earth. And lesson 3, water on earth. So who can tell me what we will learn in this lesson? Anyone know what we will learn in this lesson? Yes, Omar or Elias. Do you know what we will learn in this lesson? Hi, Omar or Elias. You know what we will learn in this lesson?
Teacher, me land on earth. No, water on earth.
Yeah, so as in the last lesson, we know what about the different forms of land. So here in this lesson, we will learn the different forms
Of water.
the different forms of water on the earth.
On
Thank you so much, Aris. Okay, great job, Aris. Where are you, Elias and Omar? Are you sleeping? Okay, anyone right? Anyone right?
Right, teacher, yes.
Show me, Elias. Open your notebook. Sorry, open your camera. Can you?
Okay. Okay. Teacher, look. This is it.
Yeah, show me. Open your camera.
Just a minute.
Yes, Aris.
Yes.
Great, Aris. Thank you so much, Aris. Great.
Teacher, look. Thank you very much.
So much, Elias. Excellent, honey. Amazing, Omar Maher. Thank you so much. Where are you, Omar Maher and Elias, when I ask you what we will learn in this lesson?
Teacher, look.
Learn in this lesson, Elias or Omar Maher? Anyone can ask?
Look, teacher, me Mishal.
Yes, Mishal. Show me, honey. Yes, Mishal. Okay, great, Nawaf. Thank you so much, Nawaf. It's Nu'ayman. Yes, Mishal.
Look.
I can see, well, it's not clear. Okay, great, Mishal. Great, Nawaf. Great, Nu'ayman. Where are the others? Okay, so please now all of you stop your video. Stop your video. Okay, let's complete our lesson. Okay, I want to start.
Teacher.
Yeah.
I forget to show you.
Okay, honey. So you can
Hi,
send to.
teacher. I'm Abdul Malik. It kicked me out of the team.
Okay, I'm so
Kicked
sorry.
me out.
Okay, now please, we will discover this phenomenon. We will discover what about the water on the earth together on the website. Okay, so wait. Oh, still not done. Okay. Sorry, log out. Yeah, earth, water on earth. Okay. So let's start by. Okay, so please, I wanna all of you to look at this picture. Land and water on earth. We know what about with the land. Let's learn what about with the water on earth, okay? So can I ask you what do the different colors on the earth surface show? Anyone tell me? I will choose. I will choose. Who can answer? No, I will choose. No. Asil Faiz, are you there? Asil?
Yes.
Yes. So Asil, can you tell me what the different colors, what do different colors on the earth surface? Tell me, what about this blue color?
It's water.
Yeah, for the water, great. What about this brown color?
Air.
For land? All of this is the earth. So for land or
Yes.
also
For land.
highland. What about the green color?
It's land.
What about this white color? Can you guess? It's maybe
No.
like the ice.
I think.
Yeah, like the ice, yeah?
Yeah.
So maybe for the frozen water on the earth. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, maybe for the frozen water of the earth. Okay, thank you so much, Asil. Great job, honey. Okay, so let's check out the land and water on the earth to see this phenomenon in action, okay? Watch this video, please. Look at the earth. The earth has different colors: blue, green, brown, also white. So the earth has different colors of water, okay? Again. Okay, let's say Subhanallah. Okay, number 3. Now look at the photo of the earth and we watch the videos, okay? So what do you observe? What do the different colors show? What do you wonder about the earth? These areas, okay. So Asil, tell me that the blue color for the water, the white color maybe for the frozen water, the brown color, sorry, the brown color for the high area, the green color for the low area, okay? So you know now that the earth has different, what? The earth has different what, Battal? Battal? Okay, Battal absent. Yeah, Thanayan? Thanayan?
Yes, teacher.
Thanayan, now we know that the earth has different forms of
Land.
and
Mountain.
water and different colors. Blue color, the blue color show what, Thanayan?
The water.
Great job, Thanayan. Thank you so much. The blue color show us the water. Okay, so let's start by this story activity. Okay, let me show you this.
In this lesson, you'll obtain, evaluate, and communicate information about water on Earth. You'll also discover patterns in the locations of liquid water and frozen water. Let's look back at the video you saw earlier in the lesson. Do you think there is more water on Earth's surface or more land? In this activity, you'll...
Okay, anyone know? Do you think the earth has more land or more water on the earth? Do you know, Rais?
Water.
No, I asked.
Water.
Yeah,
Because the water is oceans and rivers and lakes.
No. Now one by one, please. Yes, Rais, can you tell me? Can you guess more on the earth, water or earth? Water or land, sorry.
Color a world map to compare how much land and water are on Earth's surface.
Rais. Okay, Rais is sleeping.
Teacher, can me?
To carry out this investigation, you'll use a ruler, along with green and blue crayons or colored pencils. To complete this activity, you'll use a model of Earth to determine the amount of water and land on Earth's surface. Before you begin, make a prediction. Is Earth's surface covered with more land or water?
Yeah, again, let me ask you, Rayes. Rayes. Still sleeping? Okay. Yeah, let me ask you, Ziad. Ziad? Ziad?
Yes, teacher.
So is the
Yes,
Earth
teacher.
is the Earth surface covered with more land or more water?
Water.
Great. Why? Where in that? Which have wait. What's wrong? Yeah, okay. Okay, look at the Earth. What the color is more? You can the blue color or
Blue.
yeah, the blue color. So water may be more on the Earth. Try to fix your mic. Keep yourself mute, please. Yeah, quickly. Okay, so
Then select Continue. Use a ruler to draw a grid of squares on the world map.
okay.
Your grid lines should be 1 inch apart.
This page on this in your book, page 20. Page 45. Okay, page 45. So if you finish, please do it by yourself and send it to me on the Telegram. Okay. So which world you can do?
What, teacher?
When
Yeah.
you finish your grid, select Continue.
So use the ruler, okay, on the Earth surface and make like this, okay? Square on the Earth surface and then
Next, color the squares on the map. If the square is mostly water, then color it blue. If the square is mostly on a continent or land, color it green. Select Continue after you finish coloring your grid. Look carefully at the squares that are only partly colored blue or green. These are the squares near the edges of your map. If you color half or more of the square, then include it in your count. Now count the number of green squares and blue squares. Record your answers in your data table. When you finish, select Continue.
can you guess which is more? Which is more? Number of green squares or number of blue squares? Yes. No. One by one. Please. Yes. Ali Gamal.
Yes, teacher.
So tell me, Ali, can you guess which is more? Number of green squares or number of blue squares?
What?
Number of green squares or number of blue squares? Green squares for land, blue squares for water. Which is more? Okay, watch the video again.
Continue.
I will tell you. Okay, Ali?
Island.
Ali, blue water is more. The blue squares is more. The blue squares are more because we have more water than land on the earth. So we have more what? More
water.
than land on the earth. Thank you so much, Ali. Great.
Now that you've finished collecting data, take some time to communicate your findings. Use your data to complete the Communicate Information section.
Okay, thanks. So we know that which is more, land or water on the earth? Ali Abdullah, which is more? Which is more? Ali, which is more, land or water on the earth?
Yes.
Yeah.
More is the water.
Great. The more is the water. More is water than the land on the earth. Okay, so now let me ask you, or let me show you your friend's opinion or the best idea for this lesson, okay? And you can choose which has the best idea, okay? It's called science prop, okay? So now the time for science prop. Please think and try to guess which has the best idea for this lesson, okay? Now we have three friends are wondering where most of the earth water is found, okay? They have different ideas, okay? Read the ideas on the next page and choose the best one, okay? The first friend is called, it's called Anna, okay? Listen to Anna, what his opinion or what her idea, okay? I think most of Earth's water is in lakes. Anyone know? Anyone agree with this idea?
No.
No, no one agree with this idea that most of the earth water in lakes. Okay, number two. I think most of the earth's water is in oceans. Anyone agree with number two?
Yes, teacher. I agree, teacher. I agree.
Yes.
Teacher, the book. Yes, I agree. Number two, teacher.
Wait,
This
don't-
is one teacher.
Yeah. Okay, so now listen to number three. I think most of the earth's water is in rivers. Anyone agree with number three?
No. 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 No.
Number two?
Yes. Yes. Two. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so I will not answer now, but you will answer by yourself if we explain this lesson, okay? If we know what about with the lakes, what about with the oceans, what about with the rivers, okay? You can answer by yourself. So let me now, okay. So we know today that the earth has many forms of water. Earth has many forms of water, like the earth has many forms of land. Yes or no? Earth has many different forms of land. Yes or no? Yusuf. Yusuf?
Yes.
Yusuf, are you there? So, earth has many different forms of land. Also, the earth has many different forms of water. Thank you so much, Yusuf. So also the earth has many different forms of water. So when I ask you, is earth's surface covered with more land or more water, Nuaiman? More land or more water, Nuaiman?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Nuaiman. More land or more water? The earth surface covered with?
More water.
More water. Thank you so much, Nuaiman. Because the oceans are large. What about with the oceans? I will tell you, inshallah, in the next period, okay? But today, I want you to know that the earth surface covered with more water. The earth surface covered with more water. And the earth has many forms of water. The earth has many forms of water. Thank you so much. Thanks for today. See you inshallah in the next video. But let me ask you, are you there, Fahad? Fahad, are you there?
I am Fahad.
Okay.
Teacher, me, Batal.
Yes. So, Batal, you will be absent if you don't answer. Okay, so all of you are there. No one absent. Thanks a lot, honey.
Teacher.
In the
The homework. It's a draw for this
yeah,
land or
44. Page 44. Okay. Page 44. Drawing and count which has more squares, blue or
teacher.
it's like activity. Okay.
Yes, okay.
If you want anything, send it to me on the Telegram because I have another period and you have another period. Thank you so much, honey.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher Amelia. Bye.
Goodbye, honey.